Python Fanatic 2004 Enterprises Incorporated presents Dark Meowser Jr. gives another TheRobloxGamer16 a Wedgie/grounded. And this is my first episode of Dark Meowser Jr. gets grounded, so enjoy! Hello! I am Dark Meowser Jr., and today, I am going to give another TheRobloxGamer16 a Wedgie. Ha 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 ha. Turn around, because I am going to give you a wedgie.
No 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 no. Please, don't give me a wedgie.
Fuck King Bad. I am doing it right now.
Ouch, 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 ouch. That was really painful. Wow.
Take that, you loser.
Oh, grrrr. Roar. Oh my freaking god, Dark freaking idiot, moron, retarded, bald ass giving people a wedgie. Meowser Jr., how freaking dare you give me a wedgie? That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No 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 no. No.
Hi, James and Samantha. You guys want to know what your son did?
What did our son do this time?
Well, he gave me a wedgie. Can you ground him, please?
Dark Meowser Jr. did what? Oh, thanks for telling us. He is so busted when he gets home.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Dark Meowser Jr. 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 Get over here right now. Oh, GRRRRRRRRRRRR. Oh my fuck King God Dark freaking idiot moron retarded bald ass giving people a wedgie. Meowser Jr. How fuck King dare you give another TheRobloxGamer16 a wedgie? You know that giving someone a wedgie is called bullying.
That's it. You are grounded for 90 decades. Go to your room, right now.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's all I have to say. This is me, signing off, and see you later.